Hi everyone. So today is a super windy day and we have like a dust storm going on outside. So I thought what better to do than play on my abacus. So here we are. We are going to be doing a 2-digit by 1-digit division problem. So we have a 2-digit dividend and a 1-digit divisor. It's 52 divided by 7. So I'm going to be using the counting method, and I'm going to start on the far left-hand side of my abacus writing my divisor. So using the counting method, I count each bead as I push it up towards the counting bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have a 4-5 exchange. 6, 7. So 7 is my divisor. Then I'm going to write my dividend on my far right-hand side of my abacus. And it's 52. I'm going to start with the 5 of the 52. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5 exchange. And then 1, 2 in the units rod. Okay, so I have 52 divided by 7. So what I'm going to start by doing is comparing the first digit in my dividend with my divisor. So the first digit in my dividend is 5 and my divisor is 7. So my divisor is larger than the first digit in my dividend. So I am not going to skip a rod. I'm going to go directly to the left of my dividend to begin writing my answer. So I have to think about this. You're going to have to know your multiplication tables in order to do some division here, or have a calculator or another abacus nearby. Okay, I am back. I had to take a little break from the video because there was a loud banging noise, and turns out it was this spinny thing on my roof had broken loose and is now flapping in the wind and banging against the house, but that's okay. So I'm gonna have to get that fixed. If you guys know what that spinny thing is, put it in the comments below. Yeah. So on with this problem here, we have to figure out what times what would make something close to 52 so that we can get an answer here. Okay, so I know that 7 times 7 is 49. That's close to 52. So I'm going to set 7 here right next to my dividend, to the left, directly to the left of my dividend. So I'm going to use a counting method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I had a 4-5 exchange there. Okay, and now I'm going to say what 7 times 7 is 49. So I have to subtract 49 from the 52 of my dividend that I have here. So I'll start with the 4 and the 49, and I'm going to subtract it by pushing beads away from the counting bar. 1, return my 4 ones beads. 2, 3, 4. And I have 1 there in my tens column. And then I'm going to subtract the 9 from 2 here. So I'm going to start counting, pushing the beads away from the counting bar. 1, 2. Oh, I don't have any more beads left in my units rod, so I'm going to go to the left of my units rod, and I'm going to continue counting on as I push away from the counting bar. 3, return all my beads in my units rod. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I get my quotient, which is 7, and then there's an empty rod here between 7 and the next number, and that is my, where I say remainder, and then 3. So 7, remainder 3. And that is how you do a 2-digit by 1-digit division problem on the Cranmer abacus using the counting method with remainder.